How to recover deleted Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch a Chrome browser on your device or any browser for that matter. And then select on your profile or the search bar over here at the top and search for Gmail account recovery over here. So as you do that, here it shows the option of how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So just tap on it. And as you do that, scroll down. And what you can simply do is now scroll down to the very end. And here you can see the option of recover or deleted Google account. So tap on it. And as you do that, you just need to follow the steps to recover your account. After that, just scroll down. And here select on this option of learn to create your account, or just you can select on deleted your Google account option. As you tap on that, you'll learn how to delete or what deleting your Google account means and how you can get it back. Now scroll down and it will give us the option of if this has helped or not. So you can just tap on need more help. And as you do that, it will take you to a new page. So you can just tap on help guide. And here you can just have a chat with the chatbot of Google. And then here you can just describe your issue that you would want to recover your deleted Gmail account. And you can just mention the email account that you would want to get in contact with for the issue. And then tap on this send button and then the team of Google will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.